We are searching for our foundations. In recent decades, we have boldly kicked them out from under our feet, but this was without considering what might take their place. We drift from left to right, driven by the whims of the day, by fear and by populism. But deep down, we are searching for something to hold on to, searching for foundations. The wall of Galeria Almedina is such a foundation. Built 1,000 years ago as the city wall of medieval Coimbra, it still stands proudly. It supports the Almedina Tower, the old city gate, once meant to keep enemies out. A tower that plants its legs in two different worlds, one in the medieval heart of Coimbra and the other in a contemporary art gallery. It connects two worlds, builds a bridge, something we so desperately lack in these polarized times. And what an honor it is to be part of that as a painter. Just as the tower's legs stand in two different realms, so do mine as an artist. One rests in the Netherlands, the country where I was born and raised, and the other in Portugal, the country where I've lived for the last decade, where I find inspiration and where I create. A country so rich in culture and history. This exhibition consists of 6 works of art, 5 paintings and one ancient wall full of life. Porous, a little weathered, but unbreakable. It is the wall that gives the gallery its soul. The mind seeks, struggles, and sometimes finds. The mind is infinite. A Floresta da Mente.